Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to insert a gray text box in Microsoft Word document quickly and professionally. Gray text boxes are perfect for highlighting important notes, instructions, quotes, warnings, summarize, or special content without distracting the reader. Whether you are working on assignment reports, resumes, brochure, manuals or official documents, these simple formatting tricks will help your content stand out clear and neatly. So let's get started. You can see here a document and table and some text. This is my important work. Now I want to add a gray text box to the last page. You can add this gray text box. You can go the insert menu, then click this text box drop down menu. Here we can see many demo text box, but we don't need anything. Now I am create draw text box. Now I am draw text box on my size. Then here the text box, you can write anything. Now I am write my channel name, Backspace. Then select the text and go back the home menu, increase the font size. Then make the font on the middle. Then go to the shape format menu. You can align text middle. Now you want to make the blank text box to gray. Select the text box and obviously go the shape format menu, click shape fill, and here the gray color. We can see here the light gray. You can choose the light gray background to darker 10 point, otherwise you can choose another gray. Now I am select this. You can remove the outline, click no outline. Otherwise you can change the color of the text. Now I am select the text white. Now we can see we make the text box gray very easily. You can choose another color as you wish. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very easily. Thanks for watching.